What is machine learning? Machine learning is a branch of artificial intelligence that enables computers to recognize patterns, make predictions, and improve performance over time without being told every single step. Instead of manually coding all rules, we give the machine data and it learns the rules itself. Imagine teaching a phone camera to identify fruits. You feed it hundreds of pictures of apples, bananas, and oranges. Over time, it learns to recognize a banana in any new photo without you having to describe its shape or color manually. There are three types of machine learning: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. In supervised learning, the model learns from labeled data, meaning both inputs and their correct outputs are provided. For example, predicting a student's exam score based on hours studied, attendance, and past performance. In unsupervised learning, the model receives only inputs, no correct answers, and finds hidden patterns or grouping on its own. For example, grouping customers based on buying habits without knowing their categories beforehand. In reinforcement learning, the model learns through trial and error, receiving rewards for correct actions and penalties for wrong ones. For example, an AI learning to play chess, it keeps improving with every game based on wins or losses. How machine learning works. The process starts with data collection, where relevant data is gathered from sensors, databases, or the internet. Next is data cleaning and preparation, where errors, duplicates, and missing values are handled. Model selection follows, choosing an algorithm best suited to the problem, like neural networks for image tasks and decision trees for classification. The model is trained with this data, then evaluated with new, unseen data to measure accuracy. Finally, it's deployed into real-world systems like apps, websites, or devices and monitored to ensure performance stays high. Why machine learning matters: efficiency and automation. It can process millions of data points in seconds far faster than any human. Personalization. Platforms like Netflix, Amazon, and YouTube tailor experiences for each user. Scalability. Once trained, the same model can serve millions of users worldwide without extra effort. Continuous improvement. The more data it receives, the smarter and more accurate it becomes. Real-world applications. Healthcare, detecting diseases early from scans and predicting patient risks. Finance, identifying fraudulent transactions in milliseconds. E-commerce and marketing, suggesting products based on browsing and purchase history. Transportation, powering autonomous vehicles and optimizing delivery routes. Entertainment, recommending shows and music that matches your tastes. Customer support, AI chatbots providing instant responses to customer queries. Challenges in machine learning. Data bias. If the training data is biased, the model will make unfair or inaccurate predictions. Overfitting. When a model learns too much from training data, it fails to generalize to new situations. Data requirements. High accuracy often needs massive amounts of diverse data. Computational cost. Training large ML models can be resource intensive, requiring expensive hardware and energy. The future of machine learning. Edge AI, ML models running directly on local devices like smartphones, making them faster and more private. Explainable AI, models that can explain why they made a decision, improving trust and transparency. AutoML, automated tools that allow non-programmers to build ML model easily. Ethical AI, focus on fairness, privacy, and responsible AI development to avoid harm in society. Machine learning is not just a tech buzzword, it's a tool that's reshaping every industry, from healthcare to entertainment. The best part, anyone can start learning it, and the sooner you do, the more opportunities you will have in the future. So, if this video helped you understand ML a bit better, make sure to hit that like button, share it with some curious about AI, and subscribe for more beginner-friendly AI guides. Until next time, keep learning, keep innovating, and I will see you in the next video.